Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing for Your Creative Studio. I have the mystery box. I am unclear on what this month is, but I do know that the theme is trains. Yeah, I'm unclear on exactly what month this is. I'm sure on the title of the video I will have that rectified, but I just don't know. So let's go ahead and open everything up and see what we've got this month. All right, so as you can see from the monthly card, it does have a train travel vibe. So let's start to look at some of the exclusive designs this month. We have the first Cling Clear stamp. Let's open this up and see what we've got. Ooh, this one's really cool. It's got some cool text and font. I think that's super cute. Let's see, now we have a tape, a washi tape. Oh, this one's very cool. It's got postage, the train, some fun imagery with like train stations. That's really, really pretty. And I love this old stamp image right here. It's also a train. And this is more simple. More of like an accent tape rather than like designs. Really loving the colors here. We have another stamp. There's two in this one. So we've got this postal cancellation looking one and this advertisement kind of looking one. All three of those are adorable. And we have one more stamp and it is just a simple basic locomotive. Steam engine, love that. All right, now we have a pack of ephemera. They feel like stickers, but lots of advertisement sort of elements here. And very basic colors. We've got some earth tones with the creams and the browns, and then we do have these stark white images, which I like a little bit less, but it would take nothing to distress them so that it makes more sense with all of the other items in here. And there's lots of shapes, which is fun. They're not just all ovals or strips. All different kinds of shapes. And the advertisements sort of cover every area. They're not super picky on a theme, which makes them that much easier to use, and there's a lot in there. And it says globe map, but I suspect it will go along with the theme that we have here. And these are all old like cartography type maps. Lots of color, lots of fonts, lots of imagery and just dimension and texture with countless designs. I super love this. That's really good, and I love the size of it. We've got another little paper pack here, and I'm getting some postally vibes. Oh my gosh, this is definitely making me weak for sure. It reminds me of like the postal trains. Forevers ago, I went to the National Postal Museum last year in DC, and they had an old mail train, and this kind of reminds me of that. So that's really fun. Old newspaper. And these are loose, but look at the colors. Looks like we have a varying style of paper. So this one is just a regular paper, and then we've got vellum of those two designs, and then it looks like the image gets a little bit darker, and then it starts over. We've got regular paper, vellum of those designs. So no shortage of kinds of paper with lots of different sort of writing on them. I wouldn't say it gives more of like invoice, government official letter type vibe before it gives like newspaper vibes. Love. All right, we've got this little post box thing here. Let's open this up. Open. Oh, it's a little book. These little books are the cutest. World Wonders. And we've had something similar to this in the past. They're just postage shape images with like postage stamp shapes with different imagery on the inside. There's a lot of architecture, just vintage everything. But it goes really well with that travel vibe. And more maps. Of course, the postal everything. This is super cute. And they are a sticker, but I feel like this is more of like a washi sticker as opposed to like a paper sticker. And it is. You can see here, it's more of like that washi paper as opposed to like a paper sticker, which is super cute. And it's going to blend a little bit easier into the paper of whatever project you're working on. Here is the exclusive sticker for this month. It's in the same style as one of the stamps. Well, similar, maybe not exactly the same, but pretty similar, which is very, very cute. We have the exclusive sticker or sticky note from your creative studio. It's very cute. I love that the edges are sort of distressed looking. It's a very old West looking, which is very cute. Goes along with that locomotive vibe. And then we have some full-size sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper, and pattern paper. So this is going to be like some of the paper we've gotten in the past where there's texture and sticker and all kinds of stuff. So this one is like a thinner computer paper. Kind of looks like the washi. Oh, this is so good. These are going to be great for collage. And then this is a thicker paper and does have that linen-y type texture. So again, it's all the same designs, but just in a textured paper. Here is the vellum. How dreamy is that? And then all the same designs on a sticker paper. Have fun. I love this. Okay. I love sticker paper anything. If it's got sticky paper, I'm on for that because I don't like messing with adhesives. But yeah, that is the kit as a whole. I'm super impressed. I feel like there's a lot here and I really like the vibe. I think I'm least connected to this. I think I would be more connected to it if it didn't say travel plan. I feel like that just has like language translation issue. That happens a lot of times with like the AliExpress or Wish ephemera that's been poorly translated English, and this feels not like that. Like it makes sense, like you could use it as like a travel plan, but for a whole sheet it just doesn't make sense to me. So I'll probably just cover it if I end up using this, or just use it for like really just scratch paper. So that is the whole kit. I really, really like this kit. I really think it's going to be easy to use. I'm hoping to get busy in my journal. I found one that has been missing for like 2 months, so I'm hoping to get caught up a little bit. So hopefully you will see some of these items in that. But that is it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I'll leave everything you need to find down below. I'm not going to stamp these because we know that the quality is great now. You guys can see what the images look like, and if you watch the future videos of me using the kit, then you will see it come to life. But that's it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I will catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.